Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and this is the Boston Whaler 15 Montauk 2024. Just arrived here at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This particular boat's equipped with the 60 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke, super quiet, very efficient engine. You've got a 16-gallon fuel tank underneath the seat right here. Going to give you a great range for this little 15-footer. This particular one we ordered with the live well in the back of the boat, which is optional. If you're not going to do any fishing, you're just going to do some putting around in the boat, that's all right. That live well's insulated. It works good as a cooler as well. This has got the high profile rails in the back of the boat, but it has no rails in the front, and it's pre-wired. So up in the bow of the boat, there's a receptacle for a trolling motor. So your battery box is already down below inside your console. The wiring is there. So if you're going to put a trolling motor on here, it's really easy to do. Put the battery in there, mount your trolling motor up on the front and plug it in. You're ready to go. This has got the reversible captain's chair right here. You move this back or forward, and if you'd like to stand up and drive, you can use it as a leaning post, or if you're fishing off the back of the boat, you move this forward and you can sit facing aft on here. Really nice hardware is something that you're going to see on all the Boston Whalers. Really heavy duty 3/16 laboratory grade stainless steel on your rails, on your hardware, on your seat, on your steering wheel. Plenty of room up on the dash for a multifunction display up there, a little GPS fish finder, VHF radio, room for that as well. We install that all here at MarineMax Jacksonville Beach. You pick it out and decide what you want, and we can install it here. This one's got the tackle storage on the starboard side of the console. It's got the cushion cooler seat with padded rod racks on the front of the console. Bimini top, bow cushion, galvanized trailer with spare tire on it. This boat will fit inside your garage. If you've got a 20-foot garage, homeowners association won't let you keep a boat outside in the driveway. That's all right. This one's small enough that it'll fit in your garage. If you'd like to see this boat in person, give me a call on my cell phone. I'm Grant Drooksma with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, 904-625-6146. That's my cell phone.